Hey guys, today we're going to be making Eaton Mess. We've got some wonky strawberries.
We've got some cream and some meringues. Now all you need is some spoons,
A few knives, doesn't matter if they're blunt or not.
and a whisk to mix the cream. So let's start off with the strawberries.
Okay.
By cutting them.
Okay.
So at first I cut off the stalky bit.
The stem, because otherwise you will have stems in your Eaton Mess and it won't be as tasty.
And you should chop it up into small bits, just like this. And then put them in.
Why don't you
bowl.
start mixing the cream?
Okay, ready.
Oh gosh, the scrape is terrible.
You should just carry on going with the strawberries
Until you've used it like half a packet, maybe?
Yeah. And you'll use the strawberries for later to put in the Eaton Mess. And don't use a lot of cream if you're already using thick cream. You should use about 2 to 3 spoonfuls of cream, but you can do as many as you want.
But it depends how much Eaton Mess you want to make. Otherwise, because
And
if you wanted to make like
how
a
many
barrel
people?
full, then
You'd have to-
you'd need a lot. I think that's enough strawberries.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just put that aside. Well, she's mixing the cream. I think you probably need a bit more than that.
Okay, you
There's
can
all 3 of us, so
just
like
you just
dump in.
dump.
Hey guys, why don't you use this as your strawberries?
Yeah,
Okay, yeah, sure.
So you can mix some strawberry sauce in.
So just to make it like the finishing touch. Well, we're not even finished yet. I don't know what I'm saying.
Maybe use some strawberry flavour topping if you want to use that, guys. But you can mix the strawberries so it's in a sauce.
Scary, Maddie.
I think it's good.
Now I
Yeah.
think it's time to
Wait,
crumble
no,
the
wait.
meringues.
Wait, I think.
Yeah, whatever you call it.
Dude, can I have a bit more cream? Just put in another spoon. Otherwise, this isn't enough for all 3 of us.
Yeah.
But remember, guys, just as long as you have fun and it tastes good, then like it
Yeah.
doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't need to look perfect.
It just needs to
It is
taste
called
good.
Eaton Mess,
Yeah,
so
It could be a mess.
I mean, of course, it suggests that its name is Eaton Mess. So Eaton.
So let's crumble the meringues.
Wait, guys, not yet, not yet, not yet.
It is
As you can see, it's not exactly
Perfect, but
It's
maybe
not-
you need to
it's-
like
it's
scrape
not-
it off the
it's-
side.
Yeah, it's not exactly whipped cream sort of ish. It's not the same. Yeah, you have done. I don't know what she should do.
yeah.
Maybe you should just chop.
Maybe you can just crumble the meringues on the chopping board and then put it
Okay.
in.
I know if I want to do this.
Oh gosh, I'm scared. Oh gosh, I really want to eat this. Like,
Me too.
this is so hard for me.
Also, it doesn't matter if you make a mess around your kitchen. Like,
Because it
doesn't
is
matter.
called Eaton Mess.
And it, I want to eat it, you know.
Someone else needs to do this because I'm just probably going to end up eating everything.
Try and find it, me do it.
No, because then you'll just eat it all. We need a grown up.
Yeah, but no grown-ups. Grown-ups will probably eat it all as well.
It's just too tempting.
I think this whipped cream is ready. Well, it's
Now, I
now
think-
sort of whipped, so.
Yeah.
Won't you start crumbling the meringue in swap places? I'm just going to try and...
Here, you can.
It's probably ready.
So as you can see, we've prepared our meringues.
We chopped up the strawberries.
and I've nearly finished whipping the cream, the whipping of the cream.
We whipped the cream.
Now these are good bowls to put the Eaton Mess in.
But don't get to that
But
bit.
you can
we
also
need
put a cup
to,
in.
you know, put everything together because If we don't do that soon, it will all be gone into my stomach, and probably won't want that.
Mine as well.
If you're doing this at home, just don't eat all of it.
And try
put it
and
together.
like maybe get an adult to supervise you, because if you're like us and you love this sort of thing, you know, just it's hard.
Yeah, and the adult will also supervise that you don't eat anything before you can actually.
Oh dear. Okay, I think we need to put it together now. Let's.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just put that here. Oh dear. I just have to. Okay.
Cheeky.
Oh, I'm.
Okay, I'm done.
Can I eat this?
No, let's put the strawberries in.
Oh wait, gosh. Oh wait, no, the whisk is still in there. Guys, there's a few crumbs here. Just I'm just gonna, you know.
Now your bowl will look like this. It looks very messy, but you're gonna mix it up, which will make it look even messier.
So we'll get some wooden spoons. Wait, I want the bigger one.
Fine.
I'm never gonna get this day now.
Yeah, you will.
Someday. Why don't you use a whisk? Oh, actually, it probably won't work.
And you'll
I'm scared.
probably, not like ours, see it come together somewhat.
Yes.
Like that.
Guys, this is our first time doing it, so it might not be as amazing.
As you hoped. And
Even Mess doesn't have to be amazing.
If you thought this was like a professional, like cooking program, you were wrong, and I'm sorry to disappoint you, but we probably, you know, yeah.
If
We're
I-
not exactly professional.
We
cookers.
but we do
Oh,
love
no.
baking, so
Everything is going messy, but that's Eaton Mess. Okay, now
Okay,
let's
so
put it
you're
in
doing
the
this.
bowl.
Wait, oh yeah. Let's gonna.
I need
Wait,
to
careful,
spin
guys, careful. This might end really badly.
so careful.
So wait,
I think we
your
should use
consistency should be a bit like that, kind
it's a
of
bit like crumbled
sloppy,
porridge.
kind of ish. It has to be really crumbly, but like wet and soggy.
I think
That sounds weird.
I think to put it in the bowl, you should use 2 spoons.
Because otherwise it might go wrong, like this.
But it might take a long time.
See it.
And just be careful.
Wait, that's enough, because we might not have enough for both bowls. Oh gosh. Wait, hey. Wait, move the bowl near, okay?
Now I'm going to start to put this sauce on.
Leave some for me.
It's gonna
That's
be
enough.
pretty nice, I think.
Wait, move it closer, otherwise
But
it
as much as you want, I put a lot
I get the
in,
rest.
so yes.
It depends how like
I get the
sweet
rest.
you
I get
want
the
it,
rest.
because the strawberry can actually make lots of difference.
Oi, I get the rest.
Right now we only have a tiny bit in here, but we only made a tiny bit, so it's fine.
No, I get more. No.
I'm trying.
Thank you for watching.
No, we're not finished yet.
Oi, what does that mean?
Oh, sorry. Look at your.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time when we make banana
Something.
muffins. Bye.
Hello guys, and today we're going to be making Eaton Mess, which is really fun and easy to make.
Okay, so first we do strawberries.
Yeah. So Fia's gonna chop up the strawberries. You need to make sure that the thing's off. The stalk is off the strawberry.
Put it there. And then you need to chop it up into small pieces.
Yes. Small pieces. Stalk number 2. This will take a long time. You can start and next we need to do the cream.
Okay.
I'm gonna use a spoon. I'm doing this. Oh no, I am. Because I didn't mix it. Smells horrible, by the way.
Really?
Yes. Feels like cheese. Oh, my dustbin.
Should we just finish it?
I'm finishing it off. And then when you think that's enough cream, you can start mixing.
You can do it now.
Okay. It's really satisfying how you mix it, but the smell is horrible.
Okay. Afterwards,
You have to brush up on the lines.
Yeah.
Brush up on the lines. See if this is still. I'm saying that's done.
Okay.
I'm putting my lines too.
I do too.
Because crushing the meringue is the best bit. You have to keep doing this as well. But I can't do it at the moment.
It looks like marshmallow.
It's not marshmallow, it's a meringue.
Well, it's sticky.
So that's how you make a meringue. You have to make it sticky. How do you make a meringue?
And then once you're finished with everything, you put it together.
You have to keep on mixing. I want to mix it. I'm doing that. There's mess everywhere. Because Eaton Mess makes, you have to make sure it's messy to be Eaton Mess.
Because
Or
it's
else
called
just Eaton.
Mess.
Or else it just Eaton something.
Yeah. It's called Eaton if it's not Eaton Mess.
So sticky. So you want to be a cook. You need to keep your hands dirty to be a cook. Can I taste some? Just to see if it's edible.
No, you've already tasted some.
This is my hand after.
I'm cleaner than you.
No.
Hey, no, that's my bit.
Too bad, I'm crushing it out for you. Being helpful. But it is sticky, she is right.
Okay.
So, when you've done that, so
I'll do it.
you do it now. So now,
Barely any in here.
should we put the thing
Try
in
to
now?
put more in here.
Should we put the meringues in?
Yeah,
How about
put it in. Okay, put everything in. I caught some.
Good for you. And there has some that has escaped the slide. You don't think it's chef doing that. So now you need a mix.
I'll do the big spoon because I'm the youngest.
Okay. She's the youngest actually. She needs to wait till August.
Are you 8? Okay.
I'm
the second youngest.
You're the tallest though.
Yeah, so I get to have a big spoon.
Ours is not as liquidy, but it's not as messy.
Getting red. Okay, and then once
So-
you've mixed it in,
You can put it into your cups.
my mum's this one.
This is my one because this is too. Good
And
enough.
you still have a. I need 2 spoons.
Please would be nice.
Please.
Ready? Okay. Oh,
I do my own one.
you do your own because you're so special.
Okay.
Mine's not going to be that much as yours because you took a lot. I don't know. Just a. There you go. You have some. You're not going to eat it. No, I don't like it. I saw that. But you can get away, but I have eyes in the sky. You can put as many of this strawberry topping as you want. It just depends how sugary you want it to be.
Yeah, I want it all sugar.
Okay, she finishes off. Now eat the rest of the cake.
I think that's too much. Okay. Are you finished?
No, because you're never going to get finished. So now
You have the least.
because you took the most.
Yes.
You should always be first. You want it. And bye.
Hi guys!
Today
Today
we're
we're going to be making
Eaton
Eaton Mess. So I'm going to start with strawberries. What do you mean?
I'm just gonna.
Yeah, okay. So you gotta chop off the stems. You put them there. And then cut them in half. Okay, so you're gonna, okay. Are you chopping it up?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah. So I'm on my last strawberry. Let's mix it up. Do you need to? Okay, yeah, I'll make it then. Yeah. So.
And he's big enough.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so you want to start adding it in. Okay, I'll add those strawberries. And now we mix this thing. Oh wait, we didn't mix. Okay. Yeah, you'll go.
How are you supposed to mix it?
I don't know. I guess you just put it through there like that. Okay. I think that is around good. Okay, so I guess we just add it in now. Here, we just
What about the? Oh yeah.
yeah, we can. So I'll just. Add it in. And then add the rest. There. So you can just add as much as you want, I guess. Oh my gosh, I think that's too much. And then
You can have that one.
okay. So you just add
I think that's.
okay. So yeah,
Yeah,
that's it.
That's it.
Bye.
What's up, guys? This is how you make Eaton Mess.
So you start off by chopping up some strawberries, yeah,
And you crunch this stuff up.
and you put some cream in. It's called meringue.
You got on my hand, you dumbo. So what are you doing?
You can tell we're so good at this. Let's get our own now. Yeah, just wait for me. Because I'm very good at this. Okay, that's fine. And now I think we put these in that bowl.
Yeah.
Yep.
Obviously.
There they are. It's gonna be hard to mix. I lost the Seth, hurry up. It's hard. Okay. Mix it more.
Is that how you mix?
That's totally how you mix stuff.
So that is not how you mix stuff.
Well, Carl, you didn't do a very good job of mashing them up. Look how big that chunk is. Yeah, do that, yeah. Meringue is soft, so yeah, that will work. It's really not hard.
2,000 years later.
Oh, we forgot the strawberry. Okay, get a spoon. Oh, luck, mate. Get the spoon. Put it in your jar. Then put strawberry syrup on it.
Maybe there's a spoon there, you know.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It's fine. I can wait.
Saucy.
Don't you put the rest of it in there? I know much. Sauce.
That's fine. Maybe that's it.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, I like sauce, so yeah. Everyone likes sauce. Don't judge me. Goodbye, and that's how you make Eaton Mess.
Yeah.
By us three, and goodbye.
Yeah, bye.
Okay, so today we're going to be making Eaton Mess. And first I'm going to chop some strawberries. Meanwhile, I'm going to whip this creme fraiche in the bowl. When you're chopping the strawberries, make sure to take off the top. After you've whipped the cream, crush some meringues into the mixture. After you finish that, mix the whole batter together with a spoon. You might want to add a bit more cream. There's no more cream. Finally, next you add the strawberries on top. After you've mixed it all together, spoon the mixture into your glasses. If you want, you can add some strawberry sauce on top.
that's how you make Eaton Mess. Bye.
Today we'll be making some Eaton Mess, and we'll be showing you how to make it in an easy and fashionable way. So first things first, you might want to get some strawberries and cut them up into small pieces.
And then take apart the meringue and put it into small pieces.
You don't want to have the top in the mixture, trust me, it won't taste as good.
Then you get crème fraîche and you pour it into the bowl. And you whisk it.
After you've crushed up all the meringue, you add it to the mixture. You can carry on whisking. When you're done cutting up as many strawberries as you like, add it to the mixture. Make sure you've got enough. I'm going to add it to the mixture now. And it's almost done.
And then pour it into your bowls slash cups.
Basin, whatever you'd like to call it. However much you'd like personally, it doesn't really matter. And there you go, you have Eaton Mess.
And add a little bit of stuff.
Strawberry syrup on top if you want.
Done.
We are finished. Bye.
Today we are going to make some Eaton Mess. First, you cut up the strawberries, and you break the meringues into small pieces. You don't need the ends of the strawberries, so you can just put them away. Once you've finished cutting the strawberries, you put them into your bowl. And you do the same with the meringues. And then you put cream in. And then you whisk it. And then you can add some strawberry sauce on top to make it taste even nicer. And then you put it in your bowl cup.
And now you've made your Eaton Mess. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, today we're going to be making Eaton Mess with meringues, strawberries and cream. So first we're going to have to crumble first we're going to have to put the cream in the bowl. I whisked it.
Now, isn't the weather terrible? I don't. Now, once you finish whisking your cream, you start to cut up the strawberries.
And also you crumble the meringues.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, so then you're gonna have to add the meringues to the cream. Chop, chop. Just mix it.
Once you've cut the right amount of strawberries you like, put the ends back in the bowl, and then put strawberries into the mix.
Okay, make sure there's no stalks in them because they don't taste too good.
Yeah, and then start mixing with whatever mixing appliance you have.
A spoon would be the normal way of doing it, by the way.
Or a whisk.
Yeah, or a whisk. Okay, so once you're done, you're just gonna spoon it out into your cups or bowls that you're using.
Big chunks.
And once you've got all you want, you're gonna put the sauce in. If you want, it just gives it more of a sweeter taste.
There you go.
Thank you. And then it's done, and you have your.
You want a spoon?
Yeah. Now you have your Eaton Mess. Bye.
Yummy.
Okay, so today we're going to be making Eaton Mess. First, cut up the strawberries, but you don't need the ends. Meanwhile, whip the cream in another bowl. After you've whipped the cream, crush some meringues into the bowl. Careful not to make them into dust or you won't be able to taste them. Okay, once you've cut up the strawberries, get the strawberries and pour them into the bowl. Then mix the whole mixture up. Okay, Then once you've mixed it up, you get your cups or bowls and you scoop out some mixture. Then finally, if you want, you can pour on strawberry sauce. And then there you have your Eaton Mess. Enjoy.
We're going to make Eaton Mess.
Eaton Mess. What's that? Is that very messy?
No.
No.
So you get
Strawberries.
yeah, about like maybe
That many?
6 of them, I guess.
Yeah.
And then you have to be very careful with knives
Oh yeah.
because you don't want to chop off your fingers.
No, you don't want to chop your fingers off. That wouldn't be fun at all. I'm gonna make some cream. Here.
But
It's
you don't-
it's like all watery.
But you don't know how to make Eaton Mess.
I don't know how to make Eaton Mess, but I know that to make cream we gotta whisk
You
this.
can't do that.
I can't do it. I'll have to wait.
But you're really. But you.
Why did I put all of it in? Okay, so I'm gonna do this and you do the important work. This is the boring bit I'm doing. Oh. Do you want to swap jobs? No.
No thanks.
No, you're clever, not in swap, yeah. You got the best job. Okay.
I just gotta cut off these leaves. So
Yeah.
It won't taste so good then.
No. No one likes eating the green bits.
I know. But you can't. But
Some green stuff is nice.
yeah, like.
Do you like eating like peas and stuff?
Yeah. Like
Yeah.
broccoli.
Oh, you like broccoli? That's really good. When I was your age, I wouldn't touch it.
But-
I was probably like nearly 30 before I tried it again, and then realised it was okay.
Yeah.
It's nice. It's good. It's meant to be really good for you.
What year do you think I could be famous?
What year were you born? 1994? 84?
Maybe.
You were born 84?
Maybe 80. Let's just get on with this.
Let's just get on with this, yeah.
Come on now.
I'm doing my
now
best.
we put the strawberries in.
Oh, no. Well, you've got to break these up, remember? So here, I'll give you these to do. The meringue. So you're going to break them up, whisk them up, and then we put them in. But I'm going to keep whisking this.
How do I? Now we know. So I'll show you how to break up my
Yeah.
bags.
I've never broken up meringues before.
I know. I just did that.
Oh, that's a good job, though. It looks good.
So this is how you do it.
Yeah.
This is how you do it.
Yeah, you did it like a pro. Have I ever... No, I've actually never made anything to it meringue. It's one of those things where as a child I decided it was horrible, probably without ever even tasting it, and then just never went near it.
Yeah, but
Now we're going to try it out, and it's going to be amazing. But yeah, you break that up as much as you can. Oh, this is actually getting somewhere. It's getting thicker finally.
okay.
I was starting to think it was just milk.
Now it's time to put them in.
Yeah, I think so. You just mush it up a bit more.
Okay.
Oh, this is ready.
Now it's time to put it in.
Okay, yeah, you put that in. I'll finish off the strawberries, will I? Sorry. Okay, so you whisk that and I'll finish off the strawberries.
What?
Okay. Oh, I'll grab this. Yeah, we want to get rid of those horrible green bits. Actually, you did a pretty good job on some of these. Just throw that in. Throw that in. Is that enough, or do you want more?
Let's keep doing that.
Let's keep doing it. Great. So you want to whisk that away, don't you?
But you don't know how to cut.
Don't know how to cut. I've cut other stuff before. Do you want to keep going? Okay, you chop that in half, I think. No, that's one of the tops. You don't want to eat. You don't want that bit. All right. Yeah. No. Those are the bits that the green bits were attached to. Yeah. So like that. Good man. And no, we just want this button there, and that's it. Perfect. Like a pro. You got a future as a professional chef ahead of you? Yes? You gonna open a restaurant? What kind of food are you gonna do in your restaurant? Whatever you want, that's good. It's a good menu. Spaghetti bolognese. You like spaghetti bolognese? I like spaghetti bolognese. Okay, that's nearly there. That's looking pretty great, actually. You're an expert already. But I suppose you were born in 1984, so you had plenty. 89. Oh, wait, 89. Oh, right. Oh, yes, very good maths. Yeah. Okay, that's great. I think that's it. Okay, so do you want to dish it out?
Let's take a little bit.
Yeah, let's take a little bit. Cool. Do you want to try it? Another bit more. Oh, you could use a spoon for the getting it out. It's very creamy, this one. You put too much in.
Slowly make it a little more higher.
Yeah, it's gonna look great. Looks like ice cream.
No. Have you ever eaten ice cream?
Have I ever eaten ice cream? No. I've heard it's really nice. Should I try some ice cream at some point, should I?
Yeah, you should try it. My favorite flavor is chocolate.
Chocolate ice cream.
Once I tried some ones, but once it was warm.
Warm? In warm weather or warm ice cream?
It was warm ice cream.
Ugh, that's why you like milk then. Why doesn't it just melt? Or is it all melty already? Okay.
It melts.
Ice cream never melts. I suppose you put it in your belly quick enough that... Okay, that's good though, that looks great. So do you want to try it out? Or will we just say goodbye to the audience at home?
You first.
No, thank you. Alright, great. Alright, thanks for watching. Cool. Wave goodbye.
Thanks for watching,
Bye.
and we'll see you next week.
Great. That's great work. Well done.